These leaves were organic. This is the powder. This. Yeah, friends, today we are going to learn how to use moringa. Everything about moringa, the leaves, the bark, the seeds to regenerate our body. I've come to throw more light on moringa. Moringa is a very, very good medicinal discovered herb. It's so important that everything about it. Now, have you seen the leaves? Have you seen the powder? These leaves were organically dried before we come to this level of the powder. Before we come to this level of the powder, the leaves contain quercetin, which is very, very good as an antioxidant content that flushes bad, should I say, metal out of our system through the kidney functioning, and the processing things out of the body. Moringa is very healthy. It has been discovered quite a long time. It's an ancient, discovery plant. Yes, it was an ancient thing. It's not a thing of today. Moringa is very, very good. Moringa has been there for centuries. It's not a thing of yesterday. Like the other time I talked about moringa, I told you can use it in different ways. And it does a lot of things. It has vitamin C, it has vitamin A, it has a lot of vitamin C in it, and it has other minerals. It has amino acids in it. So for you to make use of this, you can use it for tea. When you pluck out few leaves like this, you get it after washing the way we have washed. You put in your jug or in your whatever you use to take your tea. Have you seen it? And you can pour lukewarm water, leave it between your thing. When you take this, honestly speaking, I'm not exaggerating, you will realize that it is like you get it, something is being fed in the system. So moringa, you can take it as a tea. This is the same moringa, you can use it as a smoothie. Now look at it. And the best yogurt me I've discovered, I always use it, is Greek yogurt. This Greek yogurt. So when you blend your moringa, now this is the leaf. I have put some the leaves, then blend the leaves, blend it thoroughly, then after blending, that is it. Have you seen how greenish it is? Yeah. So you can use this for sauce, you can use it for smoothies. So after blending it carefully, blended, you pour as you want, the quantity you want. You get it, then you scoop your yogurt. You scoop your yogurt. If you are the type that like sugary things, you can use sweetened yogurt like vanilla, like this vanilla Greek yogurt, or you can use plain. It has plain. So you scoop the quantity of the yogurt you want in it. Yeah, you dissolve and take. That is your smoothie. If you like, you add more. If you don't like, you add the quantity you want. Moringa is very medicinal. It helps. Have you seen the way it has congealed here right now? That is a very good smoothie. Have you seen the color? Have you seen it? Children can drink this, but when you are giving a child, you start with little quantity of the leaves so that the child will become used. Have you seen it? Oh, yummy. Mm. It's so delicious and so nice. So I want you, please, all these things I have been teaching, they're very medicinal. Yeah. Then this is the seed. The seed contains amino acids. Like I said, it supports the cell repair and the tissue. So for the seed, You can take some like this. You start with maybe 3 or 4. This is moringa seed. Then you just drink with your water, that is it, or with juice. Yeah, I have talked about the leaves and also the seeds. Now we are here, and this is the powder, moringa powder. This one you can put when you are eating anything. Yeah, you can put when you are eating anything. The leaves you can use when you are cooking your meat, you are cooking stew, you are cooking. You can put it on anything eatable. You get it? Yeah, the taste is not bad. So this is the powder. So this powder you can also dissolve it a little bit like this, maybe a spoon, actually a spoon. You pour water and take. Yeah, you pour your water and take. Mm. If you don't want to make the tea, if you want to make the tea, you make the tea. Just lukewarm water so you can turn it and take. So the leaves can be put in rice, can be put in sauce, it can be put in anything. The powder, I mean, it can be put in anything. Then we have the back. The back is like this now. Have you seen it? The body from the Moringa oleifera. Moringa does a lot to our system. Anybody that is diabetic, it helps. Yeah, it supports our kidney and protects our kidneys from failing and from damages. Moringa is very, very rich. It's not something I can exhaust in a tickle of an eyes. You get it. It's either you call it Moringa oleifera or life 3, because it contains a lot of nutrients and minerals and vitamins in it. So please share, subscribe, and raise thumb. And if you have any question, the other time I got some comments, but if you want, some are calling me, those that knows me on my private line. So please, I want you to share, subscribe, make comments, ask questions, so that I will know where you need help. Moringa also is very good for hair, it's very good for skin. I do use this to make soap for people, especially people that are suffering from itching of the skin. Very, very good. So when you consult me, when you call me and tell me exactly what you want, I will tell you how to use moringa. Moringa can grow at any time. As you plant the seed, it grows fast and it doesn't die easily. So when you have the opportunity of getting the seeds, plant it in your farm or in the compound, you will enjoy this tree of life. Thank you so much for joining me once again. But please, like I've said, subscribe, raise thumb, ask questions through the comments so that I will know exactly what you want and how to keep on relating, teaching them all. Thank you so much, and thank you so much.